The best way to understand stocks is with an example, so let's get started. Say I have a supermarket business at the intersection you live at, and I'm doing extremely good as a business, which can be seen by my customer base, sales, products, popularity, and so on. Now, despite this success, I do have a problem, and my problem is that I'm looking to expand and open 5 branches that I'm confident will also be successful like this one. But my biggest hurdle is that I do not have the $300,000 that I would need to open them. My obvious choices are to ask money from friends and family, but they're not able to give me as much. So does that mean I won't be able to open the 5 branches? Not really, because the other option that I have is I can ask money from the general public, including yourself and the hundreds of our other happy customers. It would be much easier this way because even if 100 people gave me $3,000 each, I would have the $300,000 that is needed to open the 5 new locations. But before I approach you and the hundreds of our happy customers, I must think what I can offer in return because, of course, you won't just give me the money for free, right? One option that I have is I could say for every $100,000 you give me, I would give you 5% partnership or 5% stake in my company. This means you get to participate in the profits I make and become a partial owner of my company. And if tomorrow my company grows even bigger, your partnership would be worth even more. As an example, if my company becomes worth $10 million, your 5% partnership of $100,000 would become worth $500,000. And this is exactly what a stock investment is. You become a proportionate owner of the business and get to participate in the profits and the growth of the business. And even better for me who's raising the money, that I'm not obligated to repay the $100,000 back to you. Win-win. So if you buy Amazon or Apple or Tesla stock or any other stocks from the stock market, you actually become a proportionate owner of that company. A lot of investors have built serious wealth investing in different stocks, but not everyone is able to do it successfully because a lot of businesses don't end up doing well, which means your investment could become zero and there are really no profits that you can get a share of. Therefore, people instead consider investing with mutual funds or ETFs. If you would like to know more about them, I recommend you watch this video next. If you found this information valuable, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.